Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix camera not focusing issue in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. After clicking on app management, then scroll down and here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera and then click on force stop. Now again click on force stop. After force stop your camera, then go back to your home screen and open camera. Now on top right corner you can see these three lines. Now click on it and then click on settings. After clicking on settings, then scroll down in last and here you can see the option restore defaults. Now click on it and then click on restore. After restore defaults, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.